free version of PowerPoint or Microsoft Office is lousy. If you're hearing that, that means these are the people who have not tried the latest version of PowerPoint. Let me show you the capability of the free PowerPoint today. Okay, go to office.com and you can come out with this page, right? Welcome to Microsoft 365. By the way, what I'm showing you is my free account. Yeah. Now, for those people who think that this free Office is lousy, it means that they have not used it recently, right? You can see that you can actually create a lot of things over here, right? Now, today what I'm going to show you is the PowerPoint, which is a presentation. Let me open one blank presentation and show you. Okay, right now we're at the PowerPoints, okay? So let me show you the functionality, right? If you look at it, it almost have almost all the functionality of the paid version, right? So here you got like file open. You want to look at the themes, right? So you can actually go in here. There's a lot of presentation template. So these are all the PowerPoint templates. So if you don't want to, design from scratch, you can just choose one, okay? And choose one, and then you can customize in your PowerPoint. So you just need to sign in, and here you are. You got all your presentation templates right over here. So here, these are all free version, yeah? And at the same time, besides, I'm going to show you all the function. Since this pop up, I'm going to show you. Here, if you look at it, it has this so-called designer suggestion, right? And here, of course, there are limitations for the free version. If not mistaken, they will help you to design like 3, right? But 3 is good enough for like, if you do a presentation, you can keep on using the PowerPoint presentation, right? All you need is just delete all those old one or save it to another file. Okay, so you know how to do that. But there is like all these so-called presentation designer. Now, if this does not pops out, it's in the design here. Okay, click on the designer, it will comes out, right? So it will suggest different types of design. If you don't like this, if you like this, just click on it and it just change for you. See how easy is that? Okay, and this is totally free. Yeah. Now come back to the function. So let me go through here, right? Home, you got almost all the function, and like this, right? You can even click here to dictate. Yeah. So you want to take in English, Chinese, whatever, right? Language. So meaning that when you talk, it will type for you. I can't demo for you because I'm doing recording to show you the function, but just go and try it out, right? Insert. I can insert almost anything like shapes, even icons. See, there's a lot of icons over here. Okay, of course there are premium one, right? But you can see there's a lot of all free version that you can use. Okay, so what other things, right? You can have audio or video attached to it, right? Even like smart art. See all this diagram, right? What people use this, especially if you're in a corporate. Yeah. So draw, if you like to draw, you can do drawing. Okay. Design, I just show you. Transitions, all type of transitions right over here. You see, all these are free for you to use. Okay. Animations. Yeah. Just go to the animation pane and then select the object that you want to animate. Okay, let's say here, I can click animate, and then there is many animation that you can use, right? Appear, okay, fade, fly in, and so on. So it means that here, if I click present, so this thing will fly in, okay? And you want to add others, you can keep on adding other functions, right? So now, these are all the things that you can do with the PowerPoint. So you click here, the animation. These are all the animations that you can do with the PowerPoints, you see, right? The random bars, and then, but for corporate presentation, don't make it too fancy, right? So animation, slideshow, slideshows, yeah? Now, the most interesting part in the slideshow here is that you can see here, rehearse with a coach. Just click on it here, and then basically what you do is that you will, let me go ahead and close it, all right, because I'm doing a recording, and it will take up your mic and then see your presentation, right? And then it will gives you a real-time feedback, yeah? So let me close it. So when you present, you can actually rehearse with a coach, and then you can tell you how good is your pronunciation, your speed is good or not. Just go and try it, right? And this is all in the free version. Now, if you work with teams, right? Team of people, okay, here you can have reviews, new comments, right? You can share this in Microsoft Teams. Now, you want to learn more about Microsoft Teams and how to share all this, like PowerPoint, Excel, along together with your team members, right? Leave a comment right below. I'll do another separate videos on that, because if you work with a team and you want to collaborate, the best way is to share this document inside your Microsoft Teams so that you only have like one version, okay? So you don't have that, each one will have the different revision. At the end, you create so many different copies and you do not know which one has all the information or the latest information in there. So you get confused. The right way is to share this in your Microsoft Teams. Okay, if you're interested, just leave a comment right below. I'll do a separate video on that. Next is nothing new. It's just a review and so on. So if you look at all that, right? So you get basically all the functions that you need for most people. I would say that maybe 80 or 90% of the people who use PowerPoint. Like for me, I work in corporate for many, many years, and also as a consultant for the last 20 over years. This is just good enough for me, right? To do a training, presentation, yeah? We don't need fancy stuff. So try it and let me know what you think about it. So after seeing all the capabilities, what do you think? By the way, I'm Andrew, and I create productivity video to help you improve your work performance. If you like this video, do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you will be notified. And I will see you real soon in my next video.